What's going on, traders? This is Tyler from Trade Kings, and today we're going over NIO really quick. I just want to talk to you guys about this stock really quickly. In the recent weeks, this had a good run, a good uptrend, and made it all the way up to about 1060. Excuse me, about 1060. And it had earnings and did not do well and gapped down, to 865 and has just plunged ever since then. And now we're sitting down here at what I call the base support. So we'll go ahead and start by drawing our support line right here at 570. That seems to be the area. And if you bought up here and you're looking at this now, I'm really sorry to hear that. We'll go ahead and talk about this really quick. So we'll go ahead and we'll draw our median here at 860, and we got our resistance up here at 1070. We'll actually move our median down a little bit to 835. Okay, so basically, actually we'll move this down even more. 825. There we go. Sorry about that. Okay, guys, so when you're looking at this, you're looking at it to go long, right? If you're looking at it to go long, what do you want to look for? Well, so far it doesn't look so good. For me personally, in order for me to buy this, for me to trade this in a bullish manner, I need to see a break past this moving average again, and I need to see it come back above this median here at 825, right? This is the big move that needs to happen in order for the entire trend to change. So the chance of this happening is very low, right? But there is a chance. I'm not saying it has to happen on Monday or the next day. I'm saying this can happen at any point. You got to watch for the next. This is the 4-hour chart, so I'm talking on a swing trade basis, not a short-term basis. In order for me to trade this bullish in the long term, I need to see a break above this moving average and a break back above this median at 825. And once we see it come back down and retest this level, the 825 level, that's when we got that. That's the second confirmation, right? This is the first break through the moving average, break back above the median. That's the first signal that the bulls are back. The second signal is when it pulls back and stabilizes and doesn't go right back through, right? If it stabilizes, because it has a strong up move and then pulls back, stabilizes and turns blue again and breaks back above where it was before, that's when you hop in for that continuation trade up to the support up here. Now, if you were able to get in right here, you sell 3/4 your position in case it gets rejected again and comes right back down. That way you're not stuck with the bag, right? And if it does happen to break back above this area at some day at one point again at 1070, that's when you'll want to be watching this very closely, because once it comes back and retests this area and creates new support off this resistance up here, then there's a good chance that it'll be running up here to 385 to test this level. So I'd always be watching and waiting for that day and be ready, because it's going to come one day. I don't know when. It might be years. You know what I mean? It might be years from now. But the way you trade it right is you don't just buy down here and hope, right? You don't want to ever hope. You want to see it come up, break, retest off that median. That's when you trade for the continuation. Sell at 3/4 position. If it breaks through, great. You can add 3/4 back and then ride it up. Same thing, just repeat and process. That's how you do it, right? Now, if you're looking to go short, you want to hop into this short for whatever reason, even though it already had this huge move short, that's fine. Some people love to short. Me personally, I would wait for the bullish move to come back. But if you want to go short, look for a break below this level, because this is a huge level. So look for a break below this level, and then look for it to come back up. Look for the break and look for the close, and then look for it to come back up and retest this area. You want to see it break down and retest, because if it just breaks down and then pushes right back up and you got in short here, you're going to be wiped out. So you got to wait for it to get rejected completely, bring in back the bearish volume, and once it breaks past that point, hop in for that short. And since there is no support down here, who knows how low it could go, right? So that's what I would be looking for NIO. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up. This is the 4-hour chart. So this is swing trade, longer term. Usually I'm on the 15-minute. So if this video helped you at all, please hit that like button and please subscribe for more videos. I really appreciate it. Check out Trade Kings. I give trade alerts there if you're looking for that. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.